Problem 19, SAT dealing with permutations. It says a parking lot has 5 spots remaining and 5 different cars in line waiting to be parked. If one of the cars is too big to fit in the 2 outermost spots, in how many different ways can the 5 cars be arranged? Well, if it was a normal situation where, hey, we have 5 cars, we're going to park them in these 5 spots, we'd say, hey, you have 5 options to park here, 4 here, 3 here, 2 here, 1 here, and that gives us 120 options to park their cars. However, the big car can't fit in this spot nor in this spot. So what we have to do is we have to go back and say, well, there's 120 different ways. Let's subtract when the car is here and subtract how often the car could be in that final spot there. Well, if you think about this, the big car can't fit right here. So in other words, we can't put the big car here. How many different things did we count in this 120 where the big car was here and then we had some combination of other cars? Well, think about it. You'd put the big car here and then maybe the red, then the blue, then the green, the yellow. The yellow, the red. We have all these different options. How many? We had 4, 3, 2, 1. 24 options. So I know that when I'm listing out all the different possibilities, the big car, then these other cars, there's 24 times where the big car was sitting here. Of the 120, 24 of them had the big car here and then some arrangement of the other cars. So from that 120, I got to take away 24. But also it said not only can it not park there, it can't park here. So at one point, we had all these different options we were listing of the 4 different spots and then the big car being parked right here. Again, how many? 24 of them. So I have to subtract another 24 from when the big car was here in the last spot. When I do that, overall, it's going to give me choice C of 72. Very difficult problem with permutations. You know, a lot of people would want to jump right at 120, but you got to think the big car can't be parked in these 2 spots, and each time that takes out 24 and another 24. You'll notice if we listed all these out, 24 times the big car was here and some other arrangement of cars here. 24 times it was here, different arrangements here. 24, 24, 24. Notice 5 things of the 24 make that 120 permutation. Answer here, 72. Again, give it some thought. Need some extra help? Come by and see me.